Today, I stand before you to address on the topic National Unity Day. Every year, Indian National Unity Day is celebrated on October 31st, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great leader and a key figure in our struggle for independence. Sardar Patel, fondly known as the Iron Man of India, played a crucial role in uniting the diverse nation and laying foundation for a strong and integrated India. Unity is not just a word. It is the foundation of every strong and prosperous nation. But what is national unity? It is the power of standing together, bound by a common purpose, despite the diverse cultures, religions and backgrounds, which forms an unbreakable bond that transcends differences. India is a land of incredible diversity, culturally, linguistically and religiously. But amidst this diversity lies our greatest treasure, the unity of Indian spirit. This unity is not just our necessity, but also our responsibility. For when we stand, we can overcome any challenge, be it social, political or economic. National unity is not merely about coming together in the time of crisis. It is about fostering solidarity and harmony in our everyday lives. But we must also understand that national unity starts with us, with our choices, actions and beliefs. It is our duty to ensure that no divisive force can weaken the bonds that tie us together. In conclusion, I would like to remind you of the words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. So let us all strive to uphold the spirit of national unity, for in our togetherness lies the future of our nation. Thank you.